How to transfer WhatsApp chat history on your Android device using a QR code without backup. This tutorial shows you how to move your chats directly to a new device quickly and securely. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. After that, tap on the three dots at the top right corner and go to Settings. From there, tap on Chats to open Chat Settings. At this point, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Transfer Chats. In the next step, tap on the green Start button at the bottom of the screen. Following this, WhatsApp will begin preparing your chats. This may take a few minutes depending on your data. Once done, your camera will automatically open to scan a QR code. From here, on your new phone, open WhatsApp and register using the same phone number. At this stage, you'll be prompted to transfer chats, and the QR code will be displayed on the new device. After this, use your old phone to scan that QR code shown on the new phone. Once completed, the transfer will begin instantly and all your chats will move over without needing any backup. Finally, wait for the process to finish and your chats will appear on your new device. And that's it. If this WhatsApp guide helped you transfer your chats easily without backup, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.